Hello, I'm Dr. Dane Becker. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about why it's important to get checked out after fender benders or even low-speed collisions. A lot of times people will get in smaller accidents, either getting rear-ended or hitting something, and they'll think, well, there wasn't a lot of damage to my car. Is there any reason that I need to have anybody look over what's going on with me? And the answer is almost always yes. The amount of damage to a vehicle has very little to do with the amount of damage that can happen to you personally. And a lot of times the pain and the discomfort you feel might not always be there right away, and it can build over time. Vehicles now are made with elastic properties, which allow them, when they get hit, to scrunch in and then return back to their normal position. That minimizes the damage that happens to the vehicle, but that can put a lot of additional pressure on you as the driver or the passenger of that vehicle. There's been a lot of studies recently that show that accidents as low as 3 to 5 miles per hour can create significant whiplash symptoms. And that's why it's important to get checked out right away, because the longer those symptoms build, the harder they are to fix, but then they also create more and more problems. So if you've been in either a low-speed accident or you've been in an accident that you think, well, there shouldn't be any problems, I shouldn't have any discomfort or any whiplash type issues, I still recommend at least getting checked out by your local chiropractor, because it's important that if you do have some damage, to get it addressed right away.